Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Shorts on your home screen. Now if you love watching or creating YouTube Shorts, adding them to your home screen makes access faster and easier, whether you're using Android or iPhone. So here's how to add YouTube Shorts directly to your home screen on your mobile device. Now in this tutorial, I'm gonna be recording with my computer, but I'm gonna tell you the instructions verbally, and if you follow them, you're gonna be able to get your YouTube Shorts on your home screen in no time. Now listen carefully. The first method is to add a YouTube shortcut. This is on Android and both iPhone and Android. And to do that, just open the YouTube app on your phone, and after that, tap on the Shorts tab at the bottom of the screen and press and hold the Shorts icon and select Add to Home Screen on Android and Add to Home if you're using an iPhone. And a new YouTube shortcut will appear on your home screen for quick access. Now for the second method, use a direct link which can only be done on Android devices. And to do that, just open your browser and then go to www.youtube.com/shorts, another slash, and then click on the three dots menu in your web browser and select Add to Home Screen to create a one-tap shortcut. Now if you are a content creator, consider pinning the YouTube Shorts camera to your home screen for instant recording. And that's it for today's tutorial. These were some instructions on how to get YouTube Shorts on your home screen. If you follow them, you're gonna be able to do that in no time. Now if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.